From vibrant festivals to quirky celebrations, our world is filled with incredible traditions that bring people together. Join me, Usama Safdar, as we journey across the globe to explore 10 amazing traditions that will leave you in awe and wonder. Our first stop takes us to Buñol, Spain, where every August the town transforms into a sea of red during La Tomatina. Imagine thousands of people hurling tomatoes at each other with reckless abandon. La Tomatina is a celebration of letting go and reveling in the simple joy of shared experience. Our journey continues to India, where the arrival of spring is heralded with the vibrant hues of Holi. This festival is not just a celebration, it is an explosion of colors that fills the air and brings people together in joyous harmony. Known as the Festival of Colors, Holi transforms the landscape into a living, breathing canvas. Streets, homes, and people are all painted in a myriad of colors, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Holi is a testament to the human spirit's capacity for joy as laughter and music fill the air. It is a time when differences are set aside and everyone comes together to celebrate life, reminding us of the beauty that can emerge from embracing diversity. The festival serves as a vibrant reminder that unity and joy can be found in the most colorful of celebrations. In Mexico, Dia de los Muertos, the Day of the Dead, is a vibrant celebration of life and remembrance. Imagine walking through cemeteries adorned with marigolds, guiding the spirits home. The Day of the Dead is a poignant reminder that our connection to loved ones transcends physical boundaries. In the Shetland Islands of Scotland, the Viking spirit burns bright during Helly, a festival that has been celebrated for over a century. This ancient fire festival features a procession of torchbearers clad in Viking garb, marching through the streets with flaming torches held high. At the heart of the procession is a magnificent Viking longship, meticulously crafted and then ceremoniously set ablaze, creating a spectacular sight. Helly is a testament to the enduring power of tradition and the human need to connect with our past. The festival brings the community together, celebrating their shared heritage with pride and passion. In Southeast Asia, the Hindu festival of Thaipusam is observed with fervent devotion. Devotees carry elaborate kavadis and pierce their bodies as expressions of their faith. Thaipusam showcases the lengths to which people will go to demonstrate their devotion and seek blessings. In Gloucestershire, England, the annual cheese rolling event is a uniquely British tradition that has been celebrated for centuries. Every year, thousands gather to witness this thrilling spectacle. Picture a steep, grassy hill, and individuals chasing after a wheel of double Gloucester cheese, tumbling and rolling down in a chaotic race. The hill's incline makes it a true test of agility and courage. The first person to cross the finish line claims the cheese, but injuries are common. Participants often end up with bruises, sprains, and even broken bones, yet the thrill keeps them coming back. Cooper's Hill cheese rolling is a testament to the human spirit's embrace of the eccentric. This quirky event showcases the lengths people will go to for tradition, fun, and a bit of cheese. In Lopburi, Thailand, the annual Monkey Buffet Festival offers a unique spectacle. Tables laden with fruits and vegetables create a colorful buffet for macaque monkeys. The monkeys descend upon the feast with gusto, delighting locals and tourists alike. The Monkey Buffet Festival is a reminder of the harmonious relationship between humans and animals. In Cusco, Peru, Inti Raymi, the Festival of the Sun, is a vibrant tribute to the Inca Sun God Inti. Thousands gather amongst the ruins of Sacsayhuaman to reenact traditional Inca rituals. Inti Raymi is a powerful reminder of the enduring legacy of the Inca civilization. In South Korea, Chuseok is a major harvest festival and a time for families to come together. Families gather in their ancestral homes to share feasts of songpyeon and other delicacies. Chuseok is a heartwarming testament to the importance of family, tradition, and gratitude. In Nepal, Kukur Tihar is a day dedicated to honoring dogs. Streets are adorned with garlands of marigolds, and dogs are adorned with flowers and tika. They are offered treats, and their loyalty and companionship are celebrated. Kukur Tihar is a beautiful reminder of the special place animals hold in our lives. From colorful festivals to unique celebrations, these traditions remind us how beautifully diverse our world is. Which one would you love to experience? Tell us in the comments.